Everyone, today we're going to play Among Us. I never did this before, and I think this is honey beer. Don't vote for me. Don't vote for me. I have a honeybee. I have a honeybee. They literally have a honeybee. So I'm gonna vote pink. Because she
priority is creating screens for C-Mac to get in the paint, and that's where he will decide if he can pick it out to the wings or the corner.
That you guys.
Capitalizing on C-Mac's free fouls, his coach, then that's Prior.
I don't know what to do. They literally just freaking killed me. Why? Oh, whatever.
Not just the primary scheme, pero sometimes pati secondary scheme para malibre yung majority.
Everyone's task needs to be done. Go! Like, why the hell are you doing it right now? I'm a ghost.
But that's a turnover in again on Meralco though.
I didn't know if you can get honeybee. I got a honeybee, guys. There's a honeybee like following me around and they basically kill me. How would they? They would probably know that there's a ghost doing this. Because how would they? Let's see, Peg. She's not gonna dare do it. She's a little bit sus. Sus. Are you sus?
Price check or eyes check. Go to EO
Yes.
Executive Optical for expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. EO Executive Optical, love your eyes.
Get ready for a Wild West adventure.
Oh my gosh.
Play Wild Bounty Showdown at Best 88. Choose your luck from over 2,500 games, so you have more chances for big wins.
So I just need to go to
The Ultimate Playground.
storage.
A secret in Prague. 8 p.m. Dito sa TV5.
Of course. Oh. Okay. So Pink is just excusing me. Like, why is she excusing me? Why did they vote me? They literally vote me. Like, what the hell? They literally guys. Mom, what are you doing? So guys, see, no idea here. Yeah, I have no idea. Pink is just. So why did I think pink? Because pink. Please do not do that again. So, my gosh, we need to stop this. I am now doing pink. We need to stop this. We need to stop this. Communication down. My mom is so noisy, bro. Oh my gosh, that's my cat. Now let's do the campaign. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Yo. Okay. So someone is in storage. And Pink is just here. There's two in admin. Oh, there's no. Yellow! Yellow just. It's yellow. Oh my gosh.
Still putting out.
It's yellow, it's yellow, it's yellow, it's yellow, it's yellow, it's yellow, it's yellow. I am watching Yellow's every move. Ha ha. He's doing fake tasks. Pink, why did you throw me out? Pink, why did you throw me out? I was literally saying do not throw me out. Pink, wait, go white. Yes! That was terrifying. I hope I can switch out.
Remaining in the third.
Oh, I vote yellow.
Ano to do after a main free throw? Ito,
Vote yellow.
yung Ginebra, nanalo na kanina. Kung late kayo to the party.
Now I know that yellow is a poster.
Right now,
Green is
the
like
Ginebra players, they're either
she's
resting
grade school.
behind siguro,
I don't know what
or
to
they're
do.
watching this game and cheering for me.
Orange is a good guy.
Ito na lang yung gamitin natin dyan.
White
Kasi
ka ba? Hindi ako. Hindi siya. I think it's green.
or dito. Para hindi lahat dyan kasi baka
Come on, if they
kasi wala ng summer pero
red trying na. Vote yellow. No. I hate this game. Oh my god. I'm getting out of here.
sayang din
I
yung
don't know what
kaya gawin. Paano to? Kunin mo na kasi yung cellphone niya, yari hindi dala-dalawa. Benta mo na yan isa.
Watching yellow. Yellow's a
Ito na
little
lang yung ilagay natin
bad.
dyan. Kasi may on-off lahat.
Yo, no. No. Go. That's why. Oh my gosh, someone is gonna like Go. No. Go. Oh my god. Space Grass 5 tasks left. Go, red. I don't know what. Oh my gosh, red is the monster. Red didn't die. Go. Alright, the thing.
Pero pag ano lang, pag kailangan lang.
Little freaking dumb down. Should I go again, guys? Let's go.
Kasi one time nag-ano yan eh.
On time, guys.
Lang hindi kumana.
I hate this thing.
Charlie and Bob Allen agreed on
Yarn? Matulog ka.
Now let's go play again. Let's play again, guys.
contributed 22 points in their last game. Kamani Jordan with a change in the airport also comes in.
It's okay if I fell. Like
Complimenting him.
he does. So
C-Mac finds his shot on par. He gave credit to C-Mac for finding and leading him in the last game. It was great to lead, so as Coach Josh Ray says, moving forward, it's just building on that.
I'm go.
Tanggalin mo na lang ito. Di ba may adapter tayo? Sa aircon?
Why I am purple?
Ha? Nasaan?
Hey.
Di ba may adapter tayo doon sa...
You can't just take my color. Yeah.
Hindi, nandun sa may ano, triangle
Ow.
niya.
Holly, the champ.
That's right. The next one is the basket. Can't finish though.
Of course, Space
So play there.
I always get Space Guru, guys.
With a back for who?
That's why I never played this game more often. I played this game more often. Guys. Like, why would I play a game that will only give me, like, like Grandpa. Of course, the director sabotage. Go. Go. Go, please.
Pamitahin mo yung buwan nila.
I hate you. I hate you.
Gardner's there to tap that one in.
I don't like this defensive side eye. But I'm doing my task fast as I can. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. I'm literally hating it. 90. You know, I have 10 seconds to do this, guys. Oh my gosh. Electric. I hate.
Scoring and distributing.
Good thing, let's go for you.
Extra. Change.
I was literally about to do my task, but alright? In the body, body. I found orange butter in my big corner. I'm engineering. Oh my god, she got a doctor. Don't report fake or revive. I saw Cyan kill him. I'm a doctor. You're not the doctor. So right now everyone keeps saying science. I'm gonna think. I don't know who's crewmate anymore. Self-report. Okay. I think that this is like, I think this is sanitary. Wait, there's a Joker?
Was down to 3. Now it's up to 7 to 8. That's what it is. 8-point lead with 1 point.
Got a doctor.
Blue circle voice.
So let's vote science. It's not. It's definitely the reporter.
79 to 71.
Oh my god. Blue is very
This
trustworthy.
is brought to you by Arena
It's
Plus,
not.
official partner of the
Anything
PDA.
of first. Let's find them too. Well, where's the doctor? I think this is the doctor. Because I'm a criminal. White pole. Cyan.
spikes your cortisol.
Yeah, but it's good for your liver.
Pro tip, magnetic hydration.
Cardio ruins muscle gain.
Hey, standing ruins your knees. Sleep is overrated.
Sitting is hard on your hip.
Oxygen is just your heart.
Oh my gosh, I did when Sananera.
Final 12 minutes of our game coming up. So far for TNT, Jordan Henning has been the main guy among the locals.
Stay here.
He's been shooting well from the outside. 5 of 8.
This is basically the most hard task that I completed. What I do. Armory clear
These are the
aspect.
numbers. Halos confident na silang dalawa. Shooting well from the field. Up to the free throw line, both of them.
1,
And then for Peralto, well, this is the hard.
3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Diving all over the place. He's got 9 and 7. And he surely does not
What the frick?
Ayaw na nagpapakasol na hindi sila panalo. Whether you look at the TNT one quarter, that was once again. 3-point shots again for them.
Why do I keep getting defeated? I should have listened to Yellow.
And I think you heard his back. He's still lying on his back on the other side. Playing Cornelius. Newsom can't put it in. Topar will power rebound. But then, following up. One more time.
Why I am here? Right? I don't like it. You guys expected me to do like Among Us Roblox? Nah.
We see he was already set to defend on the other side, so. But Bernardo got nothing there. Still 6-point lead for TNT, looking to widen the gap like they did in game number 5. And that's just the guy to do it. He just suddenly throws it up.
I'm a joker.
Chat mo na sa kamay.
I'm a joker.
He's now able to look for his points.
Make us about it out in the game.
Kasama niya, itong si Chris McCullough sa open court.
Newsom in the paint. Layup is good. Chance for a 3-point play. Drew a foul. Open to the net. The Chris McCullough. That's our development right now. That's how we want to have a chance of getting the target.
So I am a joker.
They might have a case there. They're a formal challenge.
But if they have a case, do they have a lawyer? Kung may kilala ko.
Wala siya rito ngayon.
I
Yung
am.
katabi ko.
Kailangan ng partial tayo rito, di ba?
Ay, mag-toothbrush na kayo. Alas 9 na.
Okay,
Oh my god. Whenever I did a video, guys, I keep saying to this.
There was a challenge. Okay,
Well, it is.
For them to say that there was a challenge.
Saka para magkaintindihan.
1, 2, 3, 4, anytime yung number. 5, 6, 7, 8, anytime you can.
Kasi you cannot say practically yun.
All that matters is me being a joker.
Yung tinachallenge ang goal.
There, he stops. No, he didn't. 1, 2. Was that a foul?
How to speak.
No, but they're saying
I
no
don't-
foul. That's what they're saying.
Wala. Nasa electric
Okay,
ako.
no travel maybe. 1, 2. But no foul as well.
Da 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 da.
Kasi nila, ang gusto nila, na hindi
Da
matawag.
da 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 da.
Oh, ito. Mike Fortaleza is gonna announce.
Everyone voted skip. Bumalik kasi ako. Everyone, no one voted out. Skip it. I am gonna think, they're gonna think I'm
Not successful.
literally
So there was a hacking foul.
inventing
They
right
saw
in
it.
front of
I
them.
didn't, but they saw it. So no more challenge for TNT. And yes, yeah, you can say there's a travel, but you can't review that. Tama ba? Kung interpret natin,
Same understanding.
is there a travel? I'm not even sure.
Same understanding.
Now, today's basketball.
Zero step.
Dead bodies found.
Lalo sa FB.
I was with the
So that's still a 7-point TNT lead. So 9:45 remaining, but Alpha needs to claw and scratch and kick and try to get back because they're not Carson sila.
Remember, game number 5, natawagan ang 5th person target. Because of their group at the run.
Well, for
Now let's see if Meralco can do the same.
The meantime, they're sending Reyna Bata to the lineup for 2 free throws.
I'm wondering
To
going to
extend this
speak
lead to
Spanish
9.
right now.
Again, hanggang 9 minutes talaga eh. When they give this lead.
Biggest lead, yeah.
Kita ko rin ng purple. Purple or pink nga lang.
But the Bata misses the first.
Yes. Well for me, because I'm a joker. I'm a joker. I'm a joker, Martin. A joker. Purple na lang. I am a joker. Yay, yay. I'm a joker, guys. I'm a real joker. Good. Still, don't go blind.
So what he asked for were the guys on the right. So what's happening?
Takes a lot of time. They're not looking for going ahead. Poquito. It's a 3-point match. Brings it closer. But they're losing it out
In
of
the
bounds.
next 10 seconds, I am worried. Nag-vote ko na yung lag sabi.
Need to make plays. You know, they're trading it.
3.
Do or die
Yes,
situation.
ito yung joker ako.
So let's see what damage he can do. All force.
Just trying to go to him later on. But this time they need to defend. Heading, driving, and getting the layup. This guy is doing everything.
24 points by the
No one was voted out skip.
Sampu na naman. That's the biggest lead of the
How
game so
did
far.
you know I was
Ngayon
a
na pumasok
joker?
ang double teams pa naman.
Bench out team.
Gets to the hoop, but off balance na siya doon. Kaya masyado malakas ang layup.
Literally, I have to do that.
Refresh na kayo.
Well, that is not my routine, guys.
He doesn't say
Oh my god.
Heading, gift away. Nakuha na ng white shirt.
And of course, guys, I can't bang.
Rogers
We can't bang.
finishing the back break. Big man showing some mobility over there.
Okay, now it's just getting sillier. If you guys wanna see more, like and subscribe. Bye bye.